afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2023 Audi A6 Premium. It's Quattro all-wheel drive and finished in Ibis White. This is powered by a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 7-speed automatic transmission. Vehicle has 360 surround view camera system, blind spot monitor, and front and rear park assist. We're going to start up here at the driver front wheel, and as you can see, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. 5-spoke 19-inch wheels. Body's in great shape. I don't see any scratches or dents on the driver's side body lines. And back here at the driver rear wheel, same as the front, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. 245/45/19 tires. There is actually a small dent right back here on the driver rear door, and it might be hard to see. There's no paint damage, but there is just a small dimple there. Barely noticeable. And back here at the passenger rear wheel, same as the others, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. And I don't see any dents or dings on the passenger side either. And finally up here at the passenger front wheel, same as the rest, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. Take you to the interior. We have a black leather interior. Got a dark oak natural inlays on the door panels. Got your rear climate control and USB-C outlets. Driver memory settings with power lumbar support, power adjustable folding and heated exterior mirrors. Piano black trim there on the dash, as well as some more of that dark oak. Dual haptic touch center screens here with navigation and your driver and passenger climate control settings. Got 3-stage heated seats. And your multifunction steering wheel. And Audi virtual cockpit. Current mileage 42,999. First row power sunroof. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, don't hesitate to give us a call, 614-793-1050. Tons of photos of this vehicle will be posted on our website. You can check those out at autoassets.com.